I appreciate your unflinching determination in promoting democracy and making our dear country a better place. Today, I would like to share with you our party's joy and the excitement on the rerun and by-elections conducted by the Electoral Empire, the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, last Saturday in 26 states of the Federation, which took place in 80 local government areas, largely peaceful and successful. At the end of the elections, winners emerged in the various constituencies. We congratulate them. We also congratulate Nigerians who have always stood against all odds, ensuring that our hard-earned democracy does not suffer. Our democracy has passed through a tortuous route at each time of election. Tempers are high. There are palpable fears and anxieties. Yet, with resilience and unwavering faith of our Democrats, we always triumph in the midst of all trepidations. It must be noted that most of the reruns were a product of undemocratic and incredibly backstage machinations to subvert the will of our people. For this reason, we give kudos to INEC for being firm and ensuring that the forces against democracy do not prevail. ADP is particularly happy with INEC Chairman Professor Mahmoud Yakubu and all permanent and ad hoc staff of the Commission for the successful conduct of the election in Jos North Central District of Plateau State, where our party won a Senate seat. We are indeed pleased to note that the election was free, fair, credible, and peaceful, so we commend INEC for its dedication to upholding the democratic process. Let me bring to our notice that our party's flag bearer, Prince Nwadikon Dachonyang, emerged victorious after a clean sweep of 122,442 votes after beating 9 other candidates. The efforts by the Plateau State ADP chairman, Mr. Bitrus Boyi, and his executive committee, that is the ADP State Working Committee, the constituents, Jos North Central District were instrumental in all this. We thank our friends, well-wishers, and political groups. As we celebrate our own, we call on those who ran the race with us not to despair, but consider these in the interest of sportsmanship as a game. We can play it again and again. Furthermore, the ADP acknowledges and commends the efforts of the police and other security agencies for their exemplary role in ensuring the peaceful conduct of the election. The party recognizes the crucial role played by these agencies in maintaining law and order and express gratitude for their dedication to ensuring a secure electoral environment. This is a humongous national service which all well-meaning Nigerians must appreciate. ADP is also grateful for the exemplary leadership and statesmanship demonstrated by the Plateau State Governor, His Excellency Caleb Manasseh Mutfwang, by ensuring peace and stability during the electoral process. The party recognizes the governor's efforts in fostering an environment conducive to peaceful elections and extends its appreciation to his commitment to the well-being of the people of Plateau State. Now the journey towards building a peaceful and prosperous Plateau State has begun. We promise to be part of the process and give all we can to help the home of peace and terrorism. We assure the people of Plateau North Central District and indeed Nigeria an effective representation at the upper chamber of the National Assembly. The party is committed to the task of building a peaceful, united, and progressive Nigeria and pledges to work tirelessly for the betterment of the nation. Finally, we call upon our Senator-elect Prince Pam Datungang to uphold the tenets and the political philosophy of the Action Democratic Party, especially our belief in the rule of law. Therefore, we heartily congratulate the Senator-elect of the Senatorial District. Long live ADP, long live the North Senatorial District, long live Plateau State, long live the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Common objectives coming together because, like we all know, politics is about interest. So whenever interests come together, you find that you will find, unison of purpose, meaning that people will come together to pursue that interest. We didn't know that PDP will come to join us, but we knew that we had a candidate that many people from that zone loved, not only because he's a prince, but because he's a very humble gentleman. And given the state that Plateau State is in today, people are looking for somebody who will bring in that humility so that it will not become another issue that will increase the tension which is on the plateau. So, believe you me, we are not aware that PDP was going to even support us until the last minute when somebody called me from Plateau that this is what they want to do. We say, by all means, But we, like I said, would have welcomed anybody, any party at all, not only PDP, that wanted to work with us. And in fact, some parties came to us that they wanted to work with us. And we are happy they did, because today, as all of you can testify, to the fact that there are no issues. It's like, the kind of solution that Plateau is looking for, whereby representatives are people that everybody rally around. That's why you could see the gap between our candidate and even the runoff. That is the party that came second. So to us, we thank them, those who who came to us. It isn't that we're trying to celebrate somebody's sorrow, no, but it's the fact that this is democracy, and democracy is about the people. So if there's any way by which you can deliver the mandate, meaning the dividend democracy, it doesn't necessarily have to be on a particular platform. All platforms are Nigerian platforms, and they belong to the people. So I'm not aware of any terms that where it was entered into between our party and the PDP. All I'm aware of is that I got a call, and they say that they have looked around, and they want to see if they can work with us. I say, fine, you should go ahead and work with us. So that's what I know as far as what happened a few hours before the elections. Somebody asked whether since the birth of ADP, whether we have had such victory. Yes, we have had. We are in the House of Reps. We had a candidate, House of Rep member from Ogbomoso, Oyo constituency. That is Oyo State, and we also had a member, State House Assembly, from the same Oyo. So we had two members in the one National Assembly, another one State Assembly. So this is not the first time we are winning to be in that club. So we've been there before, but this time around, okay. But this, yeah. So, but of course, this time around we clinched the what I would call
the big hall.
Yes, because that is the highest level of political representation as far as democracy is concerned. Another is the rumor a pact with ADP likely defection. Well, I'm not aware of this, like I said, and we didn't have any such discussions that somebody was going to defect. And I think, if anything, in order to deepen the roots of democracy in this country, we should by all means try and discourage that kind of thing, because if that happens, it doesn't allow parties to grow, and it doesn't allow people to now express their wish, which is in a way, because, okay, this man came on the platform of ADP. People voted for him. Our arrangement is that people vote for political parties. It's a symbol of party that is on the ballot. So if you now, through the back door, deny people, that their decision, their choice, you will not be doing democracy anything good, So this is why the press should do everything possible to discourage, that kind of distraction, and draw back in our, effort to entrench democracy in this country. So the other question was, how will the senator help with peace on the plateau? Like I said, he's a prince, which means he has a stake, even as a citizen. Being from the royal house, I think it's a good opportunity for him to now add that his birth as the prince, and being a senator also representing the people. So I think they couldn't have made a better choice than somebody who has intrinsic interest in ensuring that there's peace on the plateau.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.